Turn on. Lagay ng sample ng papel. Ayan. Tapos ito yung printout niya kanina. Ayan. Ito gagawin nating 8-bit kasi naka 7-bit siya. Tapos gagawin natin siyang 9,600 kasi naka 1,200 siya. Okay. Hold press, arrow down and up, arrow up, then arrow down, 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 arrow down. Ayan, naka 7-bit. Pindutin mo yung arrow up para maging 8-bit. Yan, 8-bit. So, arrow down, parity, arrow down. Ayan, baud rate papalitan natin. Gagawin natin 9,600. Arrow up, arrow up, arrow up. Ayan, 19,200. Arrow up. Ayan, 9,600. Tapos arrow down. Arrow down. Then, pagtapos na, hold press mo ulit silang dalawa. Yan, arrow up. Yan yung magiging settings natin. Then, power off.
Power off. Okay na, pre.
Tapos,
maglalaro na sila. Bati mo sila. Ayun, ilang war na lang yan.
Testing ulit. Ayan. Lagay ng papel. Ayan. Arrow up and down. Arrow up. Arrow up. Ganun na magpalit ng parameters. Ay, naka 9,600. Tapos naka 8-bit na dapat to. Ayan, naka 8-bit na siya. Kaninang 7-bit. Yung 7-bit niya. Ayan, 7-bit. 1,200. Alright, okay na yan. Tapos i-power off mo na.
Power off.
Okay na yan.
Ano?